Look, English. So, holy moly, guys! Today I have a surprise for you in our house. Look, English maker, come.
Wow, holy moly guys! Today I'm unboxing the Buddha house. Yeah, her eating lot of, eating tea.
And finally, I see his face.
And
I can see his face.
how my face?
Your face is very good.
Oh, thank
You
you.
should reveal your face to public.
I'm handsome or cute?
Not too much also, but so very happy today, guys. I am because English maker has come to my house and I think video চাব ইয়াৰ video. তো চাওক ৰাইজ আমাৰ তাত তাকে যেতিয়াৰ পৰা আহিছে এনেকৈ আছে এই পিন্ধি মুখখন মানে এই আৰু বহুতে ডাকো বুলি ভাবে ভাই কৰোণাটো কবি নেই হোগা মতলব নো কৰোণা হেপেন উইথ ইউ হেপেনিং
Yeah, that's right. Let's Max, let's stay safe.